Hello students, again today I will read a story for you. As always, I will ask some questions and you have to give answers. Okay, these classes are listening and speaking. So listen carefully the story and listen it 3 or 4 times. I would suggest you 3-4 times for accent, for understanding and the other things, and because listening is very important role. Listening play very important role in learning. Okay, so let's start. The country face first of all I would tell the story name, Tenali Rama and the cat. Okay, the country faced a major problem of rats. Rats had multiplied to very large number and were creating a lot of destruction. They were nibbling through important papers, clothes, grains in food stores, etc. There were not many cats in the kingdom to catch all the rats. So the king asked the house in the country to keep one cat each. But cats feed on milk and not every house owns a cow to get the milk. So the king also gave a cow to every house. The people were happy and took care of cows and cats. They used to give a lot of milk to their cats. But Tenali Rama was a lazy fellow and he was also very fond of drinking milk. He wanted to keep the milk from the cow for himself. So he thought of a clever trick. He boiled the milk and poured in a pan. Then he put the pan in front of the cat. As soon as the cat touched the boiling hot milk with its tongue got burned and it ran away at once. Tenali repeated the same thing. The next day, again the day after that, after a few days like that, the cat refused to touch the milk that was offered to it for fear of getting its mouth burned. In this way, Tenali got to drink all the milk himself. One day, King ordered all the cats to be brought before him for inspection. While all cats were fat and healthy, Tenali's cat looked thin and weak. The king was very angry with Tenali for not taking proper care of the cat. But Tenali pleaded, "Your Majesty, I cannot help it. My cat does not drink any milk at all." The king said, "Nonsense. I will put you in prison for telling a lie." Tenali requested the king to give him a chance to prove it, and the king agreed. So Tenali brought his cat and the pan of milk in front of the king. He offered milk to the cat, but on seeing the pan of milk, the cat ran away, frightened. The king was surprised at this, but he let Tenali go. Tenali lived happily drinking a lot of milk by himself. So it was the end of the story. So now I would ask some questions which you have to tell and just give your homework in audio. Okay. So my first question is, what kind of problem facing the whole country? I am repeating, what kind of problem facing the whole country? My next question is, what sort of problem created by rats? What sort of problem created by rats? My another third question is, why did people unable to brought up cats? Why did people unable to brought up cats? Brought up, it means palna. My next question is, why did king give a cow to every house? Why did king give a cow to every house? Okay, I have asked 4 questions. My fifth question is, why did Tenali Rama not want to give milk to his cat? I'm repeating. Why did Tenali Rama not want to give milk to his cat? What trick Tenali play with his cat? My sixth question is, what trick Tenali play with his cat? Okay, and my next question is, why did king become angry with Tenali? My seventh question is, I am repeating, why did king become angry with Tenali? Okay, and my last question is, why did cat run away after seeing milk? Why did cat run away after seeing milk? Okay, so I have asked 8 questions to all of you, and you just give your answers in audio form, so that you will get the opportunity to talk in English. Okay, and if you have any problem, and if you have any difficulty, you can ask me anytime, and you can WhatsApp me, and you can also mention your problem in comment section. Okay, thank you.